Running a business involves juggling countless tasks, and the last thing you need to worry about is the safety of your critical financial data. What if you could have peace of mind knowing your records are securely backed up when you choose and easily accessible whenever and wherever you need them? Introducing our solution for worry-free data management. We understand the importance of your financial information, which is why we've built in robust features to protect it and give you complete control through manual backups to Google Drive and flexible download options. Secure manual backups to Google Drive. Your data in your control. Leverage the reliability and security of Google Drive for backing up your valuable financial data when it suits you. Rest assured that your records are stored safely in the cloud, protected by Google's advanced security infrastructure. This manual process puts you in control of when your data is backed up, allowing you to do so at your convenience. Flexibility at your fingertips. Download copies to your devices. We believe you should have complete control over your data. That's why we offer the flexibility to download copies of your financial records to any of your preferred devices. Whether it's your computer for detailed analysis, your phone for quick access on the go, or even external storage devices like hard disks, pen drives, or DVDs for an extra layer of security, the choice is yours. Effortless restoration. Turn back time with backup history. Mistakes happen, or sometimes you simply need to revert to a previous state. With our effortless restoration feature, you can easily restore your financial records to any previous backup point that you have created. This means that if you accidentally delete information or need to access historical data, you can do so quickly and seamlessly, minimizing disruption to your business. Don't let the fear of data loss hold you back. Embrace worry-free data management with the control of manual backups and the flexibility of multiple access points. Ready to experience worry-free data management with manual backups? Sign up for a free trial at khata.com.